Today we're going to unbox the Starlink package in Bangladesh in our Braincraft Ltd office. We have Irfan Bhai, the iOS engineering team head for our company. So we're unboxing it ourselves. They provided us 2 boxes through DHL. We were in our admin section room. There was Tanvir, Sharmin and Ibrahim and also Tausif with us. Ibrahim was doing the video. Me and Irfan Bhai, we were very excited, and Irfan Bhai started opening the box with his bare hand. The boxing was very good because this box was traveling for 11,000 kilometers from United States to Bangladesh. So at last we were capable opening a way, and this is a tray system.
This is the Starlink device. Yeah. এটা হচ্ছে এটা দেখবেন তো ডিশটাই
তো বিশাল ভাই রাখবেন কই
ছাদে ওয়াও ও এটা তো ছাদে বিশাল ছাদে লাগানো
নাইস
এটা তো সোলার না কি জিনিস
সোলার কেন কি কষ্ট
মানে এটা একদম সাদা একটা প্লেন একটা জিনিস.
They provided us an instruction brochure inside the box, the bigger one. Irfan Bhai was matching all the devices with the instruction brochure. We found generation 3 router, and also we have given a link screenshot of Starlink device. So here are the things we found inside the box. You can also match this apparatus with your own parcel. So then we started opening the smaller one box. We found all the accessories inside that, and also there is another instruction brochure over there. And as always, Irfan Bhai was matching those things with the necessity, and also we found a glue. Yeah, that is also fine. All the screws, everything was in place. So these were the first package, I guess, from Starlink to Bangladesh for a software company. So let's see how their service actually gives us some added benefit. Let's see. Welcome Starlink to Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching this video.